Nobody expected this today. The word this morning was clear. No major lifts, no big moves. But Camp Nou does not follow instructions. By mid-afternoon, both tower cranes were in the air simultaneously. The TC3 and TC4 working in perfect coordination, a brand new ring section weighing between 26 and 30 tons, rotating carefully into position on the lateral stand. Nobody expected it. It happened anyway. That is Camp Nou. This is your update. The compression ring is moving fast. Both tower cranes lifted simultaneously today, rotating a 30-ton section into position on the lateral stand. The ring grows stronger with every lift. At the south goal end, 25 of the 46 super pillars are now fully concreted and connected. 8 of the remaining pillars sit in central zones, requiring a specialist concrete approach. The compression ring is advancing on multiple fronts at once. The concrete pouring phase for the super pillar rotulas is well underway. Several units already have their formwork panels removed, fully poured and cured. Others still have reinforcement bars exposed, being prepared for the next pour. This phase is now reaching all the way to the Tribune end, a significant milestone for the third-tier structure. Once all 46 super pillars are concreted and connected, the entire third-tier framework will be locked in permanently. Inside the second cantilever level, the first interior partition walls are going up. Workers are building out the future hospitality zones, bathroom areas, and service divisions that will serve the third tier on opening day. What was a completely open skeleton just weeks ago is now beginning to take the shape of a real stadium interior. By the way, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers on Megaverse Builds, and we are so close. If you are watching this and not subscribed yet, hit that button right now and be part of this milestone. On the lateral stand, the VIP ring panel installation is advancing steadily. 3 sections are now fully closed out, and the support bar framework for the next section is already in place. Electrical cabling is also being run through the cable trays along the VIP ring cantilever. This wiring will power the illumination system for the ceramic slats and the cantilever terrace lighting. Over at Tribune, the slat superstructure support bars continue to be installed along the underside of the cantilever. The framework here is building out steadily across the full width of the stand. This zone is shaping up to be one of the most visually dramatic sections of the entire stadium. The depth and drop of the canopy here is unlike anything seen elsewhere in the build so far. The parking ramp in front of the Masia continues to be filled and leveled layer by layer. Very little height remains before the ground level reaches the parking exit point. This zone is almost complete. Teams from Benjumea are arriving consistently. That is today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. This project continues to push forward with incredible scale and ambition, bringing the vision closer to reality with every single step. If you are enjoying the journey, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds for more updates. Stay with us as we follow this transformation all the way to completion.